Oh my!
Thank you. I know how to do this. Stay back.
Oh my god! Your brain, you just broke that. And how the heck did you get up to the top of this house?
How the heck? Easy.
Oh, is this an elevator?
Uh-huh.
What is this?
I need this broken.
Oh my god, Danny. Serious?
Don't worry.
Oh wait, there's some fire in there. Danny, there's fire in there.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
So where is the fire extinguisher?
I know we got a fire soon, but this told you that there's fire. You gotta get closer to it, Danny. Keep doing anything. Yeah. We're getting it out. It's gone. Is that it? Is that it?
Done.
No more smoke. Or.
Yeah. I'm having war with tree.
Danny, you're acting. What?
Now I have to go back again.
And what are you? And why are you doing this? Why are you breaking all these stuff? Oh my! I not even knew that. I not even saw that coming. Oh, I meant like run away when you're doing it.
Next.
What is that? How about we
I know what I'm doing, orange.
roast it or color it with yellow?
No, I choose what I want to do.
Hammer that? Roast? Garnet? Bomb that? Wait, you want to bomb it? Are you kidding me, Danny? Seriously? Danny, look.
Really? What do you like the best about it?
Bombing.
Oh, you do. All right, last bombs
Huh?
before the game crashes. Ah.
The game crashed.
Yep.